Hi, and welcome back to my channel. Today is the first. We have a Jeffree Star mystery box. And this is the Valentine's Day boxes that he did. I just got the deluxe box. I didn't get the Supreme box.
Super Ultra Mega box.
Yeah. So we're going to be unboxing this and see what we got. I don't know, we might get some kind of strange things. I know he does.
Who knows what's going to be in here?
So yeah, hi, if you're new here, my name is Jennifer. This is my husband, Aaron. He kind of helps out on the unboxing videos.
At least I think I do.
And on my channel, I do a lot of unboxing videos. I also do makeup material, and per my channel name, I do talk a lot about agoraphobic subjects and mental health issues. So if you're into any of those subjects, or say if you're into all of those, then I highly recommend you hit subscribe and hit that notification bell and set it to all so that you're notified every time that I upload a video. So if you're interested today in seeing what we got in our mystery box, then hang tight because we are getting right into it. Okay, this box cost like $123 with shipping. I don't think
Wait, what? I'm just kidding.
I don't think they're available anymore on his site. So, let's see what we got ourselves into. This is the first time I've ever bought. Well, a little backstory. I've never had anything from Jeffree Cosmetics before. I told this last Christmas, my brother and sister-in-law gave me some stuff from his. Not any palettes or anything, just some of his liquid lipsticks and lip scrubs. And I thought they were pretty nice. So I thought I would try some of his stuff. I'll get to.
I'm seeing a lot of pink in here.
Yeah. Okay, first of all, we have a... Is this a...
eyeshadow, it says.
A loose eyeshadow. Is that the name of it? Heavy weighted?
Heavy weighted eyeshadow.
That's what it looks like. Let me turn the lights down.
This one has a little star. Oh, I see Jeffree Star, and there's stars on it. I get it now.
It's like a green, tealy kind of shadow.
So you're supposed to put that in some sort of magnetic palette or something?
Yeah,
like
which
that?
I don't have.
You put in like an artist's conception of what you think that might look like if you had it.
Okay, and I got a Supreme Frost.
Supreme.
And hypothermia.
Yeah, that is hella shiny right there. Ooh, shiny. What is it, like a highlighter or something?
Yeah.
Okay.
I don't know if you can see it. But yeah, I'd wear that. But that's what it sure looks like right there.
Turn it around, it's like signal ships with it.
Okay, I'm gonna pause just for a second. Okay, maybe you can see it better on my finger. Right there. Okay. Okay, you open something.
Oh, this says mini breaker. What kind of breaker?
It's probably the jawbreaker. Mini jawbreaker.
You're right. How about Valentine? This is kind of Eastery looking with all the pink and green. Huh. That's not bad. Double scoop. Purple punch. And such.
I just want to feel one of his shimmers.
Feel the shimmer. Do you feel it?
Yeah, it's pretty good.
Okay.
Alrighty. I don't think I'm going to keep the packaging.
There's a box for you.
Lavender Magic Star setting powder in lavender. Okay.
Lavender.
That should be interesting. And that is what it all looks like.
There's a heavy use of pink chrome in all of this here in the packaging and the boxes, and I would just like to say that I approve of that.
Why would I need purple setting powder?
Well, if overall you want to be more purpley, I guess. Or possibly it would color correct. I don't know how that works.
Yeah, I guess color correction.
Against what? I don't know. What does purple balance out? I don't know how that works.
Okay, so we got that.
I'll let you grab the next stuff.
Okay, we've got some sort of pink thing here.
That's where anything can fall out of the box. Some sort of pink thing. Ooh.
It looks like some sort of zippered makeup purse with a handle here with the Jeffree Star logo on it. So that is cute.
I'm gonna wear this when I go shopping.
Okay, looks like we've got some more single shades. One in the color Bite Me.
So red. My God, Jeffree Star. Oh, Jeffree. Oh, he used to be such a nice boy. And now he's like this.
It's like a purple color.
Oh. I just don't know what went wrong.
One called Tax Free, I wish. It's kind of in a grungy green. And one called The Morgue.
That one says tax-free because if you use it to do like camouflage pattern on your face.
Kind of a gray
for
color.
when the federal tax robots are trying to hunt you down with their facial recognition.
What's this? Jeffree Star Skin. Oh, they're coming out with a skincare line.
He's coming out with his own skin. Peel it off and then just slap it on.
Okay, we've got Velour Liquid Lipstick in the color Pink Kitten.
I saw a thing not too long ago that was talking about facial recognition algorithms and like how you could, if you did like certain kinds of geometric patterns and stuff on your face, that you could like throw off the AI. Remember that when the robot revolution starts. Is that quite pink?
I was very pink again. I was hoping to get a gloss.
What was that one? Giant pencil?
Velour Lip Liner. Posh Spice.
What was there? Is this some other thing we got in one of the boxes or something, and it had a long giant pencil of some sort. Remember that?
That was just last month with that Dragon Beauty.
Dragon Beauty,
Look
that's
at
what it was. Ooh, fancy.
Just your basic color.
Let me see. I decree that you must all be fabulous. Poof, poof.
That is not coming on. Okay, you go ahead and get that out.
Orgy. Subtle.
Are you sure I just got the Deluxe?
Oh my. Look at that. Oh dear.
Oh my dear.
Oh, well, those people are just, oh, they're just in there all together. Oh my. I know what this is. See, he wanted to be in like Cirque du Soleil, but it never happened. So
I just love all the browns in this palette.
it's like all people colors.
People colors.
Gender fluid. Yeah.
So this is the Orgy palette.
Which is the regret the next day palette.
And Jeffree Star Cosmetics, open here for nudes. Okay.
You can see some of the people. You can see their bottoms. Look.
All right. I think this is going into...
Open here for nudes.
I think this is going into a giveaway, I think.
Wow.
You think we should do a giveaway?
Pass along the nudes, yeah? I don't know. I haven't even seen it yet. What is this? Oh, I see.
Mini.
So this is all lip colors here.
Yeah.
Family jewels.
Okay. I think
Birthday suit.
we should do a giveaway right near now. What do you think?
Sure.
Okay. This is volume 2. This is all mini nude, I guess. What you call liquid lipsticks, I guess.
Mini velour, it says.
Mini velour 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Here, let me check this out here because I bet I'm betting there's some good text on the back here. Let's see.
Okay.
Oh, it's just got the ingredient list. The colors are I'm Nude, Birthday Suit, Top Shelf, Christmas Cookie, Hidden Hills, Dominatrix, Family Jewels, and Testy. That's a Testy.
Okay.
Very fancy box.
So, if you want to receive this in our giveaway, let me turn the lights back up. Okay, we're all occupied here. Okay, if you want to receive this in a giveaway, leave a comment down below. This is for US only. And leave a comment down below. And leave a complete sentence. You need to be subscribed to this channel. You need to give this video a thumbs up. And leave the word...
You need to say something nice about us.
And leave the word... In a complete sentence, leave the word nude.
I just think you should leave the word orgy.
No.
I might get screened out on YouTube. Community standards and all that.
Leave the word nude. And
The word orgy.
what's today's date?
Right on the box. What's here?
What's today's date? The 8th. We will end this in a week on the 15th. Is that 7 days from now? On the 15th, okay? And we'll have a video up announcing the winner of it.
Oh, shiny star. That's fun.
Again, that's what they look like. they're all nude liquid lipsticks in mini form from Jeffree Cosmetics. And like I said, if you want to enter, be subscribed, leave a thumbs up. And
what does it say that I found the packaging more interesting than most of the products on this? I don't know what that says about me. I just like shiny things. I was expecting more glitter, to be honest.
YouTube has nothing to do with this giveaway. And once this leaves...
Well, we have nothing to do with YouTube, except for this.
Once
right
this
here,
leaves
but
my hands, if anything happens to the items en route to you, I am not responsible for them. And I bought all these products. I bought this product myself, and all that.
we bought it with our own money.
Okay. All right. And yeah. Again, good luck to you. I hope you enjoyed our video. If you did, give us a big thumbs up and leave us a comment, even if you're not entering into this giveaway. And I'm not gonna say in the anywhere that this is a giveaway. This is a super sneaky giveaway. And
Stealth giveaway.
Stealth giveaway. And okay. Alrighty then. I hope you are having a wonderful, fantastic day out there. And if you are not, I hope something comes along and sparks your day so that you can have a wonderful rest of your week. Oh, today's the 8th, but tomorrow's the 9th. I keep forgetting these things. Okay. This video is going up tomorrow, so we'll run this until the 16th. Okay. And so we'll pick a winner on the 16th. And, okay, I'm sorry about that.
We hope that you're having a wonderful week or month or fortnight.
Yeah. And if you're having an especially hard time, then we are sending you out those good vibes. And just remember to stay strong and stay healthy and stay safe. And we will see you in...
Stay strong.
I will see you in my next video. So, okay.
Stay on target.
All right. See you then. Goodbye.